Hello and welcome. Today we will be using 7 segment LED displays with a 74595 chip registers along with some driver transistors. So in this video I will be showing you to use the 7 segment LED displays with a 74595 chip register. Since I am using the 74595 chip register, therefore I will definitely recommend you to watch this previous video which I made on 74595 to understand the theory and the practical with Arduino and to driving a 8-channel relay with only 3 GPIOs using this IC. So I will definitely recommend you to watch this video to understand the datasheet fully and to perform a practical with this IC. And if you have completely understood the working of this IC by watching this video, then you can understand very well how I have drawn the schematic. In this schematic you can see that each segment is being paralleled. So here the segment A of all the displays are being paralleled, segment B are being paralleled, and in this way we get 8 such lines. And you can also easily understand that the segment A is connected to QA of the 74595 with a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Similarly, the segment B is being connected to QB and so on up to the DP, which is the decimal point, which is connected to QH with a 1 kilo ohm resistor. And here you can see the driver transistors. You can very easily understand that the more the number of LED display will use, the more the number of transistors are required. So if you use a 8-digit display, you will require 8 such transistors. Now taking example of this first digit, you can see here. So this is the NPN transistor, and since you can see that the cathode of this common cathode LED display is connected to the collector of this transistor. Therefore, as you give a high signal onto this transistor, it will pull the collector to ground. Therefore, effectively the cathode is being pulled to ground. So now if we give a serial data, into the 74595, then the corresponding segment should get lit up, therefore completing the circuit. And as we apply the high signal on this transistor, it will complete the circuit, and therefore the respective segments should get glow. Similarly, the other segments also works like this, and it should be noted here that we are utilizing the persistence of vision, and since the microcontroller will switch each digit so fast that our eyes cannot distinguish the switching, and it will appear as a static display. We will be continuously switching from one transistor to the other transistor, thus moving from one digit to the other digit. It will be so fast that the eye will see it as a static display, but actually it works with the theory of persistence of vision. And therefore you can see that we have the 4 digits. Therefore we have four such lines for which will be driven by the microcontroller. 4 lines here, the VCC and the ground, and also here you can see the 3 pins for the 74595. This is the serial data. This one is the serial clock, and this one is for the serial clock at the output buffer. So here this is the complete circuitry, and for demonstration purposes on breadboard I will be only using two such 7 segment LEDs. And when we will make a complete PCB out of that, I will be including all the 4 segments here, and I will cover this PCB later on. Now let's first look at the code on the Arduino IDE. In the Arduino IDE code, you can see the pins 3 and 4 are being used for the first and the second digit, and the rest 3 are being used for the 74595 chip register. Now in the void pin display, according to the number to be shown, the corresponding segments is to be set or cleared. This is very easy. And after that we have to clear the display. I have written the code in such a manner that as you use each digit, then after that that digit is to be cleared. Here you can see that we have used the first digit, and now after using the first digit we have cleared that, and again we have used the second digit, then it is to be also cleared. And this is just the void show function. And the pin display you have already discussed, which contains the lookup table for the 7 segments. And in this example I will be just looping from 00 to 99, and this is just this loop is just for including a small delay. This is just for including a small delay, and this will count from 0 to 99. this will just display the digits. So this is the so here we have the three functions, the custom functions: void show, void print display, and the clear display. And to understand how I have written this code, you need to see the previous video on the 74595. I've used exactly the same kind of code which I've showed in that video. I've used exactly the same kind of code. So if you have watched that previous video, you should be understanding the how I have written the code here. So after compiling this, let's see if there's any errors occurring or not. So the code is successfully compiled, and then now I will be uploading this code to the Arduino, and then let's see the output. Now I'm connecting the Arduino. I've already uploaded the code. So see, the 2 segments is counting as expected. It will count up to 99. As I have said, I have used only two digits, so I have used 2 transistors. And the thing is to be noted that even if you use 8 digits or even more, you will only require one 74595 shift register. You will only require one such 74595 shift register. As many displays as you use, you need to use that amount of transistors. So if you use 8 displays, you need to use 8 such transistors, but only one 74595 is required. This point is to be noted. So the display successfully counts up to 99. So let's wait for it. See, it is then again counting from 0 again. So the code is working fine. So as we discussed, using only 2 digits, I will be extending it to 4 digits, and I will be now making a custom PCB out of this circuit. And I have used the EasyEDA software to construct the circuit here. And you can see the 2D view as well as the 3D view. So in the next part of the video, I'll be showing how to make this PCB. So thanks for watching this video. So please subscribe to this channel, and please hit the like button, and please hit the bell icon for getting further notified. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.